Hi guys, welcome to episode 14 of the vlog. Here's what happened this week.
We start this week in Llandudno on a honeymoon shoot with Sam and Rosanna. It's either they really like having their photograph taken or they just want to spend time with us. Either way, super fun.
Hi, so we are currently in Llandudno doing something a little bit different. We are doing a honeymoon shoot for Rosanna and Sam. So obviously we previously did their pre-wedding and then we did their wedding, which we saw in the last vlog. And so yeah, we came to Llandudno and spent the day walking around with them and Wyatt, of course. Yeah, it was really fun. And we went on the beach, on the pier. Fab idea. So, you know, anybody having a staycation, the honeymoon, give us a shout.
This is the wedding of Rosie and Fraiser. We were on video for this one. So this is the girls for prep in the morning. And then Dad seeing Rosie for the first time from two angles. They see we've got an angle on the bride and we've got an angle on Dad as well. That was quite emotive, love that. See, this is how we work for 99% of the day. We just kind of cruise around your wedding, taking photos, videos of your day, hopefully without guests noticing. We just want to blend into the background and kind of capture things naturally. Natural laughter, jokes, laughing, things like that. But on the odd occasion, you totally get clocked by a guest. That's fine. So this was a super chill day at the Hillbark on the Wirral. We had a bag of time. It was a fairly early ceremony, so we had so much time to kind of chill with the guests and just hang out and take the videos. Rosie and Fraiser were amazing in front of camera. They spent the whole time laughing at each other, which is perfect.
Hi! It is, what even day is it today? Friday! We are at the Hillbark Hotel for the wedding of Rosie and Fraiser. We've not done a bit to camera again because we get caught up and then we're there and then it's too late, but we're here now and it's great next to this horse. But it's been good. We're on video today. We've been working with Oliver Kelly and Chris Wallace as his second. It's been really fun.
We're going to be creative now. Watch us walk through some trees.
Ah, God, my eyes!
Oh, that's really friendly!
So we've done the formals, speeches are done, ceremony's obviously done.
So we're just waiting for the dance floor. They have Ellie Sachs tonight, which should be amazing.
That's going to be awesome. Dance floor's going to go off, which is brilliant. They're a good bunch, aren't they? I think they're going to be very up for it, yeah. So we're expecting big things. Have a look. This is the Hillbark Hotel.
And then the dance floor with Ellie Sachs, who is absolutely amazing and just a lovely human being in general. But these are the kind of scenes you get with live music, people just having a great time, and this is where we are on the dance floor, just kind of roaming around, capturing, going from person to person, capturing them dancing, laughing, joking. Absolutely amazing. This is the amazing Ellie Sachs. Scenes on the dance floor. Really fun. And then the guys finish the night with some fireworks. Absolutely beautiful.
How the devil are you? Welcome to Sunday. We are here back at Beeston Manor for their open day today, so we've just set up. Take a look. So the place is just coming together, it's almost there. Lisa Marie Cakes is here, as you can see, but the helicopter is outside, ready to go. It's awesome. But before we get on with that, I need to head to Beacon Fell right now for a pre-wedding shoot before I head back and see all the lovely couples at the open day.
Beacon Fell is absolutely one of our favourite places to do pre-wedding shoots. There's gorgeous backdrops, really beautiful light coming through the trees. Absolutely one of our favourites. Adam actually said he was quite nervous before the pre-wedding shoot, didn't like having his photograph taken, and then absolutely nailed it.
So done with Charlotte and Adam at the pre-wedding shoot at Beacon Fell. Look how just ridiculously gorgeous this place is. So now we're going to head back to Beeston Manor and rescue my wife, who is all alone talking to people. Hopefully book a few weddings and then meet a lot of new people.
So the open day was pretty rammed. Didn't really get any footage of it, but then we got the opportunity to go in a helicopter, which I was never going to pass up. Thank you to all the lovely people we saw at the wedding fair and the people that booked especially, and we will see you next week on the next vlog. Love you, bye.